Ito ang mga ingredients. Boiled macaroni elbow, boiled eggs, boiled potato, boiled carrots, boiled chicken, sweet pickle relish crushed, mayonnaise, pineapple crushed, condensed milk, raisins. Simulan na natin. Imimix lang natin yung chicken, carrots, boiled potato, boiled egg, raisins, crushed pineapple. Isama na rin natin yung sabaw nito. Condensed milk. Pero guys, pwede nyo bawasan yung condensed milk. Pwede nyo half lang nung can kung ayaw nyo ng medyo matamis-tamis. Then yung pickle relish. Halu-haluin lang natin guys hanggang well combine lahat ng mga ingredients na nilagay natin. Other option guys, kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng condensed milk, pwede kayong gumamit ng all-purpose cream. Yan, lagay na natin ng mayo. Tapos, halu-haluin lang natin ulit. Kung bago lang kayo guys sa channel ko, baka pwedeng pakiclick naman yung like, share, at pakisubscribe na rin. Pakiclick na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa bawat uploads ng video ko. Yan guys, halo-halo lang. Yan, nakakatakam ng tingnan. Nako, you must try this recipe guys. After ma-mix nyo all together, then pwede siyang ilagay sa isang container and then pwede nyo ibigay siya sa inyong family, friends, or loved ones. Ito na guys ang ating Chicken Maconi Salad. Try nyo itong recipe na to at paniguradong magugustuhan nyo. If you like my video, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that notified kayo sa bawat upload ng video ko. Thank you for watching!